diagram shows a regular polygon of 10 sides. If it's regular, it means each side is the same, then all the interior angles are all equal. So it says find the sum of the interior angles. So the angle sum for any polygon will be n minus 2 times 180. So n is the number of sides. We know there are 10 sides, so it's going to be 10 minus 2 times 180. That's going to give me 8 times 180, which is 1,440. Right, in order to find the angle x, I'm going to find this angle here first, which I'm going to call I, which is one interior angle for this decagon. So I will be the angle sum, which I just calculated, divided by the number of sides. This is only true for a regular polygon, which we do have in this case. So it's going to be 1440 divided by 10. So it's going to give me that I is equal to 144 degrees. Right, if that's 144 degrees, then triangle ABC is isosceles because this length is the same as this length. And therefore, x is going to be equal to this one. So therefore, we can find x by doing 180 minus 144 dividing by 2, which will give me 18 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to find a missing angle of a polygon. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.